All right, guys. So one thing I don't like on this Vivo X300 Ultra is that I can't change what my power button does, okay? So you know how, like, I don't know how you guys do it, but like on my Samsungs, I have it double click to open the camera. And so that when the phone's off or when it's on or whatever, instead of having to go to the app, I can just double click it and it opens the camera. On the Vivo X300 Ultra, the Chinese ROM at least, this is what I have, you can't really change that. You've got this double click to open this pay thing, this Chinese pay thing, and then you can press and hold it and it'll open up your co-pilot or your assistant, but you can't really map it to other things. So today we're gonna fix that, okay? We're gonna fix it for free, all right? So here you go. So first thing you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store, okay? Search and type in Key Mapper, all right? You're gonna install this Key Mapper app, all right? Cool. So you've got that installed, all right? You're gonna open it up. What's new? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, all right? So then on this Vivo, you're gonna have 3 warnings. You might have some more, right? The accessibility service needs to be turned on for your key maps to work. Fix. Accessibility service must be enabled. Enable, all right? You're gonna scroll down. Find Key Mapper. Turn this on, okay? Allow, all right? And got it. I'm not gonna do the shortcut, but Key Mapper is turned on, okay? Disable battery optimization, fix. You can fix this partially, and then you can go in and fix it later, all right? So let app always run in the background, allow. We'll go back and fully make this work right after. Turn on notifications for better on-screen messages, okay? So let's turn this on, allow. All right, so here you go. Now you're running, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click New Key Map, okay? You're gonna go on Device Buttons. You're gonna click Power, all right? Now you're gonna have this yellow thing here. It's gonna say you might be able to remap this button, all right? Accessibility services running and expert mode enabled for free. So if you go here, it says requirements not met, all right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna enable for free your expert mode. It's gonna count down here. I understand, all right? You're gonna scroll down. You got setup right here, setup with Key Mapper. Click continue, all right? Enable wireless debugging. Key Mapper uses wireless debugging to launch its remapping and input service. Go to settings, all right? Now, I already have my developer options enabled. If you guys don't, before you do this, leave this here, exit out, go to your settings, okay? About phone, scroll down, version info, software version, and keep clicking it. Down here, it's gonna say blah, 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 no need, blah, 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 you're already a developer, okay? So then, after you do that, it's gonna say you're a developer, go back, all right? Go into System Management and Upgrade, click that, scroll down, click Developer Options, and then up here, it's gonna be disabled. So enable the developer options, okay? But physically, manually, go ahead and enable them, all right? So now they're enabled. So now you can go back into your Key Mapper, go to Settings, and click Use Wireless Debugging, all right? Always allow on this network, allow. So now we're set there, all right? You're gonna go back, interact, but Key Mapper needs to pair with wireless debugging before it can launch its remapping and input service. Go to Settings, pairing automatically, pairing right there, expert mode started. You see it did all that on its own once we activated developer options. It's very important. You need to go and manually activate your developer options, all right? What happens if you try to activate your developer options through this Key Mapper is it's gonna get hung up. It's gonna get hung up because you need to manually go and click that yes to enable it. Once developer options are enabled, once you click your software version a bunch, you're not done on the Vivo, okay? You have to go in and enable your developer options. So after you do that, you can come back here to Key Mapper, boom, you're done, finish, okay? So, here we go. Expert mode is running, right? Okay, so let's go back. So power button, now it says you can remap this button. You guys see accessibility services running, expert mode is running, all right? So now we're gonna record with expert mode. Record, it says press your keys, all right? I'm gonna come here on my power button, double press. Boom, right there. So you hit power, you hit your power key. I just pressed it twice, all right? I'm gonna exit one of them out. Then you're gonna have power, long press right here, all right? Short press, long press, double press under your triggers. So I'm gonna make this a double press. You guys see right there, it says power, double press, okay? Then in your actions, up top, you've got trigger, action, constraints, and options. So under your triggers, when you record with expert mode, see that? And you press the button, it gives you a new trigger. So then you click down here, double press, okay? Then in your actions, add action, and I'm gonna go launch app, warning, ignore. I'm gonna ignore the warning. Allow, and I'm gonna pick camera, right here. Boom. So here's my trigger, here's my action. Open camera. Double press. Make sure you guys have double press here. Power. Actions. Open camera. Now we're going to come down here. We're going to click done. Okay? You're done. That's it. So now, when I double press, I'm in my camera. You guys see that? I double press it. It's in my camera. Boom. Does it work when it's off? Maybe. Just turns it on. So you guys are going to have some pitfalls of this. What I've noticed is now that I've got it set, double press to open my camera, now when I hit it once, it's like wonky. Like I hit it once just now and it did nothing. You see that? I was trying to take it back to my lock screen. So now it works. But see, now I double pressed it and it takes me back to my lock screen. So I will say it works. I have this working, but it does some wonky stuff when it wants to, right? But right there, double press and open. So now what I'm gonna do just to make sure everything's working here and just to make sure I'm gonna keep it working, we're gonna go to Key Mapper. You're gonna go back to your app, long press on the app, go to app info, okay? Battery usage, background power control, allow background power usage, all right? Then for Key Mapper, I'm coming into notifications. I'm gonna say allow notifications right there. Okay? Boom. And then my permissions. It's good with permissions. So that's it. That's how you guys do it. The app is called Key Mapper. Now you guys see it right here. I'm double pressing. Boom, I'm in my camera. It doesn't give me that stupid wallet thing or whatever. Lets me into my camera. So obviously you guys can go back in, right? You can add, let's see, power button, record. Boom. I've got this. So power, I've got long press. Say I've got double press. My actions, add my action. Let's say I want to toggle the flashlight. Boom. This action requires camera permission. Fix. Allow. Boom. Done. Now I've got them going. Let me change this one. Long press on the power key. Short press on the power key. Actions will be flashlight. Double press, open camera. So let's double press it. Opens the camera. Short press. Lights up your flashlight. So there you guys go. And the reason I said free is because some of these things, if I can find it, right, you get unlocked for just $1.99. Some of these things you want to set and you end up having to pay for it. That's why I said free, because this one you can enable expert mode for free and you can basically get it done for free, okay? So that's one of the things I don't like about the Vivo X300 Ultra Chinese version. I can't remap the power button, so this is a way to do it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm gonna be back with more videos. I hope this was helpful for you.